Introducing 11 essential survival tools for outdoor enthusiasts. All these versatile and durable products are designed to ensure safety and convenience in any outdoor adventure. So let's dive in! The GIRIAITUS multi-tool knife is the ultimate survival companion, combining 17 essential tools in one robust package. Crafted from high-quality 420 stainless steel and 1045 steel, the knife saw and screwdriver heads boast exceptional hardness and durability, while the black oxide coating ensures rust and corrosion resistance. This lightweight and portable multi-tool includes a rope cutter, bottle opener, can opener, fire starter, window breaker, whistle, and various screwdriver heads for versatility in any situation. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, its auto-lock feature secures each tool in place, allowing for one-hand operation while preventing accidents. Designed with input from outdoor experts and first aid professionals, the RHINO Rescue Small First Aid Kit is a vital survival solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Encased in a durable, compact MOLLE pouch made of coated 600D Oxford nylon, it contains 100+ first aid supplies and 20+ high-quality survival essentials to handle wild emergency situations and everyday mishaps. The kit's versatility is enhanced with a removable quick-release panel and mole system, allowing it to be attached to various gear. Perfect for bug-out bags and adventures, this comprehensive and portable kit is an ideal gift for men who enjoy hiking, camping, hunting, and wilderness exploration. Sustainable, ecological, and lightweight, the SUNCASE solar lighter is an essential tool for every survivalist, fitting easily into your pocket and ready to accompany you on any adventure. With its concentrated solar technology and high reflective parabolic mirrors, it achieves temperatures of up to 400 degrees Celsius at the focal point, ensuring rapid incandescence of various fuels like wood, brown paper, tobacco, and more. This ultra-compact and waterproof fire starter is designed to be an all-terrain partner, functioning even in extreme cold and unforgiving environments. Additionally, its innovative dual energy feature allows integration with a gas lighter for continuous 24-hour lighting in any weather condition. Compact and bladeless, it's the perfect travel multi-tool for everyday carry. With 4 essential tools in one sleek urban EDC design, it features a replaceable cartridge pen for writing anywhere, folding scissors for cutting various materials, a bottle opener for refreshment on the go, and a medium-sized screwdriver for quick fixes. The multi-tool's 6-inch aluminum body with a pocket clip ensures it's always within reach, crafted for modern survivalists seeking functionality and aesthetics. Its durable anodized aluminum and 5 CR15 MOV steel construction weigh a mere 2.4 ounces, making it a lightweight addition to your gear. The WEYLAND Survival Hatchet is the ultimate survival axe, mole-ready and easily attachable to a backpack or bug-out bag, making it a convenient companion for hiking, backpacking, and camping adventures. This compact camping axe excels as a kindling splitter and camping hatchet, thanks to its multiple cutting edges, making wood processing a breeze. It serves as an excellent splitting axe for chopping wood in doubles as a bushcraft axe, ensuring you're well equipped for any wilderness situation. The Survivor Filter Pro portable water filter pump is the ultimate survival essential for adventurers and preppers alike. With an unparalleled filtration level of 0.01 microns, it provides top-notch protection against viruses, bacteria, parasites, and even heavy metals, ensuring safe and great-tasting water in the most challenging environments. Its 3-stage filtration system starts with a 0.1 micron pre-filter that eliminates harmful contaminants like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, followed by a carbon filter to absorb heavy metals and chemicals. With the ability to purify up to 100,000 liters of water and the convenience of backwashing for reuse. This portable water filter pump is a game changer. Whether you need a survival hatchet or a tactical throwing tomahawk, this versatile tool has you covered. The ultimate survival companion for outdoor enthusiasts combines a portable 3-in-1 army fashion look mosquito repellent, camping lantern, and power bank. With its ultra-bright 3,000 lumens, it illuminates your journey while acting as a personal guardian against mosquitoes. Built with high-quality, anti-shock, and IPX4 waterproof materials, this one-piece design ensures durability for both fieldwork and outdoor recreation. The cordless and rechargeable feature, coupled with its large built-in 14,400 mAh battery, allows for super portability, weighing only 16.4 ounces. EVO REPEL's double-sided heating tech evenly heats 2 mosquito repellent mats for doubled effectiveness, and its efficiency heating tech quickly reaches the ideal temperature for optimal mosquito repellency, consuming minimal electrical energy. A beacon of unwavering resilience in the darkest moments, this remarkable flashlight harnesses the power of the sun and boasts an unyielding hand crank, freeing you from the constraints of external power sources and ensuring your survival during challenging blackouts. An ideal companion for adventurers, this self-powered luminary fearlessly lights your path through rugged terrains, untamed forests, and uncharted territories. With a steadfast glow lasting up to 4 hours, it stands tall as the ultimate savior, guiding your quest for survival with unyielding brilliance. 3-in-1 Hatchet is the ultimate survival tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed for camping and exploring, this versatile hatchet combines chopping, cutting, sawing, and hammering capabilities to meet your unique survival needs. With its 2.75-inch bonded stainless steel blade, integrated 7-inch folding saw, and hammer end, it offers a comprehensive set of tools in one compact package. The comfortable grip of the glass-filled nylon handle ensures optimal control and performance, while the molded sheath protects the blade head when not in use. With its rugged design and multi-functionality, the CAMTRAX hatchet is the perfect companion for any survival situation. The Wicked Laser's Flashtorch is the ultimate survival tool from the creators of the world's most sophisticated lasers. This compact and portable searchlight delivers an astounding 4,100 lumens of intense white light, providing you with the power to navigate your way home, ignite a fire, or even cook food when needed. Crafted from military-grade anodized aluminum, the Flashtorch is built to withstand the harshest environments with a heat-resistant lens and reflector that convert the intense light into a wide floodlight or focused searchlight. Powered by advanced lithium technology, it offers longer run times and features 3 power selection modes for tailored brightness. The flashlight's durability and expected 2,000-hour halogen lamp life ensure unwavering reliability in critical situations. The CVLIFE Tactical Backpack is a reliable and durable survival companion, meticulously crafted from 600D high-density polyester, ensuring water resistance and long-lasting performance in demanding conditions. Designed for versatility, this spacious military backpack features a main large compartment, allowing you to store essential survival gear and supplies with ease. Additionally, it comes with a front detachable bag which doubles as a tactical fanny pack, providing quick access to crucial items during emergencies. Moreover, the 2 side detachable tactical backpack accessories bags serve as practical hiking sport bags, enabling you to carry additional equipment on your adventures. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video on the best survival gear and gadgets you must have. If you want to stay updated on the newest tech releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.